the continuing saga of my Dakota Digital VHX temperature gauge. I don't, the gauges are dead because I have it in setup mode. You can see setup on the right hand gauge cluster where the tach's supposed to be. And you see test temp, it says 87 ohms. Dakota Digital says their sender is 500 ohm to 0 ohm range, that it has 300 ohms is 100 degrees about, 75 ohms is approximately 200 degrees water temperature, and 0 ohms is 300 degrees. Well, my previous two videos, this is a third one now, were showing that I was reading 10 to 15 degrees too high. And when I called Dakota Digital, you notice we're at 83, called Dakota Digital about it. They said, they asked what size ports I had in the head, and I thought I had half-inch MPT. Instead, I got, it popped at 83. Instead, I have 3/8 MPT ports. But when they thought I had a half-inch, he gave me a VDO number to put in instead. I'll show you on the wiring once I turn it off. But you saw the thermostat just cycled at basically 84 to 86 ohms. With the sensor that Dakota Digital sent me under warranty, I did a whole video about how that was actually a good deal to me, I thought. And we're up to 96 ohms is what the temperature reading is in ohms. 75 is supposed to be 200 degrees. I have a 190 or 195 thermostat in here. That was my next step, was check the thermostat. Anyway, I did this test using their equipment to test the ohms because I don't have an ohm meter that goes below 200 and is a little bit not as accurate. With the sender they sent me, the thermostat was popping and cycling down to 67 ohms. So 75 is supposed to be 200 degrees and 0 is supposed to be 300. I was well above 200 degrees according to their sensor. I bought VDO, a 360057. I'll put the number in the comments. I'm gonna let it cycle one more time. Then I'm gonna go back to the temperature gauge, and we'll see what it's showing. I started looking up VDOs for a 3/8 MPT. VDO does not make a sender for 3/8 MPT. It's either 1/8 or 1/4. No, 1/2. 1/8 or 1/2. That's all they have. So I found, and VDO does not publish their ohm ratings, but I found people that have them listed. And let's see, we're down to 87. Let's see where it stops going down, starts going back up again. I idled down the road and back just to get up to thermostat temperature, 86. It should be 190 to 195. It's 86 ohms. 84 ohms. The 75 is supposed to be 200. The thermostat was popping with the Dakota Digital sensor at 67 to 68. I got 83 before I started this video. So it went from being 8 below to now 8 above the 75 ohm threshold. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's going back up. Okay, that means the thermostat has probably started to open. There it goes. Thermostat's open, and it's going to start cooling down. Okay, ohms going up means cooling down. Let me get out of test mode, which all you got to do is push and hold. I'm done. Done. Just turn it off. It's easier. All right. Let's see what. Okay, 190 to 195. That's where we are right now. 190 to 195. For the first time ever in this truck, I'm 190 to 195 on the display. Yay! That's great. So putting a VDO sender in seems to have cured my ills. That puts me 10 to 15 degrees cooler indicated, and real close to what I think it's supposed to be. So yes, now I'm right at 195 because the above the 8, that mark is 180. Above the 0, that's the 200 mark. I'm between them, a little bit toward the 200. Perfect. All right, let me show you what I did outside. Turn this thing back off so I don't gotta yell at you. All right. So where'd it go? It is a single wire connector, and I just made a wire. I actually took part of the wiring I bought from Amazon to get a new end, a new plug, and I spliced it in where I had spliced the other one in. Zip tied it back so it's not bouncing around and maybe cats won't kill it. But it was a very simple install, and it lowered my temperature to where I think it's supposed to be. I'm gonna take it for a ride and go find the hill, with about 10 miles from here, see what happens on the hill, see what my temperatures go to. Anyway, hopefully this concludes my Dakota Digital VHX gauge, reading too hot temperature wise, and all is better.